How to route box joints on the Lee RTJ400. The RTJ400 makes it easy to route 4 different sizes of box joints on your router table. Box joints are extremely strong and well suited for a variety of projects, including drawer boxes, cabinetry, and storage cases. The RTJ400 can route box joints in board thicknesses from 1/8 of an inch to 1 inch, all in board widths up to 16 inches wide. Everything you need is included to start making 3/8 inch and 3/4 inch box joints on the RTJ400. 3/8 inch and 3/4 inch box joints are routed with the included Lee 3/8 inch straight bit and the E10 guide bushing. 3/16 inch and 3/32 inch box joints can be routed using optional Lee straight bits. As with all joinery on the RTJ400, on-jig quick reference strips walk you through the easy steps to make the joint. All box joint routing on the RTJ400 starts in the number 1 box joints position on the CNC machine template. The included stop rod is used to position the side stop when routing 3/16 inch, 3/8 inch, and 3/4 inch joints. When making 3/8 inch box joints, the pin boards are routed first. The pin board is placed against the side stop and clamped in place. Backer boards are used to help prevent tear out. Routing is done in all comb openings. When routing box joints, the board is always flipped, keeping the same edge against the side stop. The frame is moved to the number 2 position to route the socket boards. After the socket and pin boards are complete, the joint is put together to test the fit. As with all joinery on the RTJ400, any necessary joint fit adjustments are made with the E10 guide bushing. The patented Lee E10 guide bushing is unique and offers extremely precise joint fit adjustments. The barrel of the E-bush is not round, but rather it's elliptical in shape. Because of this, as the E-bush is turned from its mid-5 reference mark, the active diameter of the E-bush increases or decreases, resulting in a tighter or looser joint. The diameter of the E-bush is widest at the number 10 setting. At this setting, the effective diameter of the E10 guide bushing is 5/8 of an inch. Rotating the E-bush from the number 10 setting to the 0 setting reduces the effective diameter by 20/1000 of an inch. As the RTJ400 template moves over the E-bush, more wood is removed, resulting in wider sockets and narrower pins. Each increment on the E-bush changes the effective diameter by 2/1000 of an inch. Half an increment changes the fit by an incredible 1/1000 of an inch. By starting at the mid-setting of 5, you can quickly route larger or smaller pins and sockets until the perfect fit is achieved. Settings are recorded in the user guide and on the quick reference strip for easy repeatability the next time you route box joints on the RTJ400. You can also make 3/8 inch half-blind box joints just as easily as half-blind dovetails with the RTJ400. Making 3/4 inch box joints is a simple 2-step process and uses the supplied blockers to produce 3/4 inch sockets. Three/16 inch box joints are routed using frame positions 1 and 2 for the pin boards, and positions 3 and 4 for the socket boards. The 3/32 inch box joint requires moving the template from right to left in 4 steps. So whatever your project size, big or small, the Lee RTJ400 has got you covered. For more information on the RTJ400, go to leejigs.com. All Lee products carry a full 5-year warranty. Lee products are available worldwide through our network of dealers and distributors.